Yeah, once I got that glove though. Or did you get that?
Excellent. Who's that, Jeroen? Yep.
Jeroen.
Nice.
Right, give me a right hand glove and get it. He's steady.
Is that Ed?
Yeah. Steady Eddie.
Eddie with a perfect landing. Michael. Mike Kozik.
Coming in, right? It's funny, as soon as I got off the ramp, I started spinning pretty rapidly. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what happened there.
Yeah, you might have turned.
Nice, Michael.
Is it usable now or no?
No, it's not usable now. The upper assembly is sort of egg-shaped.
I was going and I did it the wrong way first, and I went. I said, "Wait a minute, my feet are getting sick of the trees." So I went back and I slipped my
Ooh, Rolly, I got your whole thing.
Okay. So he's the last victim.
That was fun.
Yeah. It might be cool if you hold it like passive.
I was worried about that one.
Yeah, you hold it passive.
So hold it down. I'll try the next one.
Yeah. You just kind of forget.
We got a whole bunch to go.
Yeah.
No, I mean, you know, trying to get pictures of people.
Yeah, I want to try to.
Well, it starts at 20. Thing started about 21, so let's see how long it is. I think it's a 30-second zip line.
Nice.
That's awesome. Good one? Yeah.
Jeroen giving us the European flavor.
Which is not classic.
A J, a Z, a bunch of A's.
Yeah. GR, bunch of A's.
That's also a very fun tickle.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
I wasn't sure I was going to like it, and I got up and I went, hey, this is cool. Yeah, you look at great form.
Silent all the way down.
Is this Michael? Yep. Mike Kozik. Oh, that's Rolly. Oh, no, it is Mike. Anyone know who this is? Oh, this must be Jeff, right? Oh, is that Rolly? Yep, he's Rolly. Indiana Jones. Ooh, perfect. 10.0, Rolly.
Yeah, it was good. He looks like that car.
That's it. Keep going, Jeffy.
Perfect, right there.
Awesome.
Thank you.
How was it?
You have to call your best line.
I actually.
Make sure you're not in front of the pad.
Oh, yeah.
In case something goes really wrong.
Yep, yep. How's here? Okay, good. Awesome. Who's this coming in, Bernie Jr.? I got him.
Just had to like last second turn around, didn't you? What? I want to see your Vanessa's house. What's wrong? Good way to
Jonathan, you got to move up so I can. Thanks.
Okay, so only if you. Okay.
Who's behind you guys? Do you know?
No, they're like.
Who's this? Alex.
How was that one?
That one was really good. I like the lift off.
Did you kick off some?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, I thought it was going to screw it up really badly. Okay. Not horrendous.
We were all able to learn from our mistakes.
Yeah.
Somebody over there is forgetting to let go.
Yeah.
Who's this? Oh, your father. Okay, good. I got him. Ooh, Ed with the aerodynamic landing. MIT dad kicking some butt.
Did you do the lift off? I did. Nice. I still think I made a fool myself. Did you steer? I did. Yeah. You had like perfect form. You know, like a just,
Yeah, you look like a professional, man. You look like it came from the Alps.
you could see it from over here? No. When you look from here. I know.
They come out behind the trees with the zoom. I got an 8 zoom on it, so I'm getting everybody. Is this Keith?
I'm good. Back up for me.
Slowly. That's good.
Okay.
Had great kickoffs.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
Bruce kicking butt.
Watch the edge.
Let me get down.
I'm making sure everything's tight. More aerodynamic. I don't know how that's going to work. I don't know.
That's an elimination thing.
Ed and Alex. Alex takes the lead. Ed is lagging, but his greater weight is coming to the fore. Let me. Oops, Keith. Wait, you're blocking. Okay. I'll get loaded. I think Alex has him beat. I think smaller is better this time. Oh, wait a second, Ed, the weight is coming on, the greatest size. MIT dad is pulled ahead of MIT student.
Oh.
And final seconds just caught up to the man.
Alex, you're on my side, right?
I was on this side, yeah.
I got a good run off on my side. So
Yeah.
Here they come. Here come Bernie and Jonathan.
Bernie's in the lead by a head.
You sure it's Bernie?
Oh, Bernie's on my side, yeah. Yeah, Frank and I were not on the same height. Frank was like about 10 feet higher than I was.
Bernie and Jonathan. Bernie Jr.
Wow. No.
Oh, Jonathan came in first. It's Bernie Jr. in the rear.
I like this run. Daddy, can we do it again?
I'm trying to get the zip. I'm trying to max one.
Yeah.
The hell won't it work?
Notice I got well adding today, no flight Thursday.
Oh.
But Aerial Park Thursday.
Oh.
On Aerial Park Thursday, Friday. This guy's Wednesday.
Are they going yet? I'm not sure who's coming. Let me know when you can identify him.
Guy on the right is ahead.
I need names, Bruce.
No idea.
Okay, we'll know it when they're closer. Are you videotaping also?
I'm just still right now.
Yeah. All right.
There we go.
Keith and Jeff. All right. Good landing, guys.
Hello. Barely got turned around right for the re-entry here. Huh?
Two more people coming down. Zip line 6. Keith, call them out when you can identify them, who they are for me.
Oh, I don't know who they are.
Well, the guy on the left is gaining big time.
Here we go.
Oh, who's this?
All right. Got Jeroen.
Yeah, Jeroen on the right.
Jerome on the right,
on the left.
and Mike on the left.
Roland, Mike. You got to stand up, Mike.
Yeah,
an ultralight.
yeah. They walk it down because they can't put any machines up here because of the state forest. Protected wetlands.
Wow. So they did everything by hand.
Yes, they took 8 of them.
Okay. It probably weighs an enormous amount. Yeah, these lines. How heavy are these lines?
Like I said,
Probably have a maximum.
Half-inch steel.
Oh, yeah.
That's half a mile of that.
You really do pay attention to that stuff.
Oh, right. This is Ed and Alex. Alex got it this time.
MIT student ahead of MIT dad.
Alex, what did you do right?
He gave me a head start.
Oh.
So lame. Dad's letting him win again. Look at that.
That's 2,600 feet. That's half a mile away. It's 60 miles an hour. It's going to take about 30 seconds for him to get really close. Maybe a little longer than 2,600 feet because that's the straight line distance. It's on a curve. So 30 seconds is right now. Bernie Jr. and Jonathan kicking butt.
Yeah, mere second.
Bernie Jr. Jonathan, look here.
I just wasn't safe. There's no place, you know, I don't want the place. Because then I got to figure out how to really dump it.
Yeah, no, it's not. Well, some things just are not whatsoever.
Right. Yeah, it used to be easier than. I used to fix my own brakes. Don't do that anymore either.
Oh yeah, I couldn't stuff on my
Yeah? Oh, good for you. I could pay you.
Who is this? Tyson and Roland. Roland. Oh, my thing died. That's it. Battery's dead. I think it just recorded the last thing.
And he kept like walking food down to the bill. I
Rolly.
So even with the lead,